Hey everyone, I'm Nick with Flying Cloud Bars and Events, coming to you from our 1959 Airstream bar that we've turned into a recording studio for the day. Here to teach you one of my favorite cocktails. It is the Bourbon Peach Smash. Now it's definitely a summertime cocktail, but here we are in Carolina Beach. It's 80 degrees out. I need something light and refreshing, so I'm going to teach you how to make this smash. The first thing we're going to do is take our peach and put it into our cheater. It's about 1/4 of a peach. I cut it up into cubes. You don't want to do slices. If you do slices, you end up chasing it around the bottom of the shaker, which is no fun with the muddler. Now I'm going to add my mint. So I'll take about 6 or 7 mint leaves, drop those in there with the peach. So, and then I'm going to add my simple syrup. So I'm going to do 1 ounce of the simple syrup. Top there. And now I muddle. So when you're muddling, you just want to break everything down. The peach you want to get to be like pulpy. The mint you just want to kind of express those oils. So you show you how it's supposed to look. Just like this. Got it? Cool. All right, now we come back in with the lemon juice, another 1 ounce of that. And then finish it off with 2 ounces of Elijah Craig bourbon. There. All right, put ice in the shaker. Shake it up. Now, a lot of times I'll strain drinks over new ice, but with this I want to keep all that pulp, all that mint, all that goodness. So I'm going to dump everything in this into the glass. It's called a shake and dump. It's what they call it in the biz. Like so. I'm going to take my lemon wheel, garnish it like that, and there it is, the peach bourbon smash. Oh man, so good. Get you in trouble.